Question 10. Use the map of East Africa below to answer question A. Question 10 A1. Question 10 A1. Name the railway terminus P, Q, and R. P, Q, and R. P is Kcse, Q is Butere, and R is Kigoma. Question 10A2. In each case, give the main commodity transported by railway lines marked S and T. S and T. S is here, maize, wheat, cattle, coffee, and also passengers. T is soda ash. Question 10A3. Give 4 challenges facing railway transport in East Africa. The East African countries have railways of different gauges, which makes it difficult for them to be joined. Competition from other means of transport has led to the neglect of railway. Variation in terrain, hence expensive to develop railway links. Railways are expensive to construct. And there is also vandalism of the railway lines. Question 10B. Outline 3 advantages of using containers while handling goods at the port of Mombasa. They guard against destruction of goods. They make loading and offloading of goods easy. They are even in shape, hence occupy less space. They guard against theft of goods. They are even in shape, hence occupy less space. They guard against theft of goods. Question 10C. One of the problems facing road transport is the high frequency of accidents. Explain 4 measures the Kenyan government has taken to reduce motor vehicle accidents in the country. The government has introduced a new law where all public service vehicles must be fitted with speed governors to attain the maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Bumps have been erected on sections of the roads to ensure that motorists reduce their speed, hence reducing occurrence of accidents. The government has introduced road safety education through mass media to create public awareness on roads. Repairing dilapidated roads to reduce accidents. Introduced strict regulations on the issuing of driving licenses to motorists to ensure that only competent drivers are issued with the relevant documents. All roads users are advised to use reflectors when a vehicle breaks down on the road to enable road users to detect the stationary vehicle from a safe distance to avoid causing an accident. Road signs have been installed to control traffic flow. Zebra crossing for pedestrians have been provided to reduce congestion, and there's construction of flyovers and also underpasses to reduce congestion. Question 10D. Give 5 reasons why there is limited use of letter writing as a means of communication in Kenya. The high rate of cost of postage, competition from cheaper and faster means of communication, the delay in the delivery of letters, loss of letters, tampering with letters. did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. So let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.